What's up guys, Tom with Verus Engineering, and today we're going to be going over the install for the front wind deflectors on your GR86. Basically what's going to happen here is you'll get two carbon fiber wind deflectors that will go on the plastic portion that is basically right next to the side mirrors. You're going to receive two pieces of pre-cut 3M VHB. You can see there. Well, you can't see that angle, but you can see that one. It's very nicely pre-cut for you. We're going to prep the back side of your wind deflector, and that is noted by probably the matte portion of the wind deflector. The rest of it should be gloss. Take your 50-50 mix of isopropyl alcohol and water. Prep the back side. Prep the plastic portion that it will be sticking to. Apply your 3M tape. Like that. Peel the backing, the red backing. The tape is technically directional, so make sure the shapes match up correctly. Obviously you can see there's this side, the top portion is a bit more pointy than the bottom portion. We've got the tape installed on our wind deflector, and now we're simply going to match it up to kind of the outline that the weather stripping provides us here. All right guys, once you have the wind deflector applied to this front quarter glass area, again, you're gonna wanna go on this plastic portion that divides the window up. You're going to want to repeat the process for the other side, making sure to follow these directions above my head very carefully in order to make sure you have maximum adhesion for the 3M VHB tape. Once you do that, you're all done with the install. And as always, if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, be sure to email us at sales@verus-engineering.com. Until next time, I'll see you guys later.